Hey guys, so I'm gonna get the G2 quarter-inch drive 9-inch, $54.99. Well, no, quarter-inch 38. Won't get every quarter-inch and 38 that they have of each one, which is gonna get real pricey real quick. And then I will test them and see how they do. So, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep on tab until YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post that. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.